This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect salad full guide. Start by gathering fresh greens, crisp vegetables, a protein, and pantry staples for dressing. Wash and dry leaves thoroughly to prevent soggy results. Chop ingredients into uniform pieces for balanced bites. Layer textures when assembling, and taste as you go to adjust seasoning. Finish with a simple vinaigrette and a final drizzle of olive oil before serving. In this video, I will explain how to make perfect salad full guide. Always start by drying greens with a salad spinner or clean towel to keep crispness. Use a sharp knife for clean cuts and to avoid bruising delicate leaves. Toss vegetables gently to combine without crushing. Whisk dressings vigorously until well emulsified and season in small increments to avoid oversalting. Let the salad rest 5 minutes for flavors to meld before plating. In this video, I will explain how to make perfect salad full guide. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it helps a lot. Quick recommendation, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which keeps your kitchen spotless for salad prep. It's a handy time saver so you focus on flavor, not floors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make perfect salad full guide. Make a dressing with 3 parts oil to 1 part acid and season to taste with salt and pepper. Emulsify with mustard or a whisk for a smooth texture that clings to ingredients. Taste and adjust brightness with lemon juice or vinegar, and add a pinch of sweetener if needed. Drizzle just before serving to preserve crunch and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.